And then, yeah, whenever you press the pedals, just be really nice and gentle, like you were. So try and press that brake now, just get a feel for it. There we go, good stuff, yeah, nice. And then, yeah, we're going to go around the left here, so nice quick hands to the left. Good stuff. Okay, this is good, you can actually drive a car. This is your first time ever driving?
I've drove a car before, but not like this, not fully.
Yeah.
We used to go to an airfield.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nice one. Just like this, or a bit different?
It's a bit like that up there, just like straight.
Yeah. Fair play, man. Right, so... Oh, my seat's just clicked. Yeah, head down here. Gently build up that power. I'm going to do another kink to the left. And then back to the right now. There we go. And keep heading down. It's back to the left. Yeah, controlling it really well, mate. Right, so we're going to enter the track in a second. Just sit on this clipboard because I have nowhere to put it. I'm just going to turn them on just so everyone knows we're doing it. And then long right hander. Going to keep going around to the right. Through them yellow cones here to the left, stuff. And then just wait on the brakes here. I'm just going to let this black car go through. Now we can go, we're all good. So stay to the left, build up that power, start accelerating. Good stuff. And then a little bit round to the right, just following that black car now, on the brakes. Good stuff. On the brakes a little harder. And then off the brakes. Into the left. Good acceleration there, mate. That's good.
Follow the black car?
Follow that, yeah, silver BMW. Then when we come through here, just ease on the brakes, stay to the left. Over to the left. And then keep going down, stay to the left. Don't accelerate through here, we're just going to let this Ferrari through. There we go. Now we can start heading down. We're going to do like a U-turn around these cones on the right. So what that Ferrari just did on the brakes. Round to the right. Good stuff. And then through them yellow cones. Picking that power up. And then sit behind this silver one. Just stay behind here. We're going to let this guy on our right go through. Mind that thing on the left, trying to hit that. And then go through, follow the silver car, And then yeah, stay pretty nice and close to that silver car. We're going to let this guy through on our right again. And then this time we're going to follow him, okay? So go and follow him. And then on the brakes here, good stuff. More braking, into the right. Nice one, mate. That was lap 1. How'd you find it? Good stuff, man. You're controlling it really well. Off the power, gently on that brake, into the left. Good stuff, and then picking that power back up again. And then off the power, on that brake again, into the left. Picking up that power. Good stuff. And then on the brake again, nice and hard on the brake, even harder. Good stuff. Off the brake, into the right. Quick hands to the right. Good stuff, mate. You're controlling this car really, really well. Doing really well, mate. And building that power up again. Off the power, on the brake, into the left, and then picking that power up again. into the left, picking that power up. And then yeah, just exactly where we went again, where we went before. On the brake now, even harder on the brake, even harder. Good stuff, into the right. Nice one. And picking that back up again. Off the power, on the brake, even harder on that brake. Good stuff, off the brake, into the left. And then building that power up again. Off the accelerator, on the brake again, into the left, off the brake, good stuff, picking that power up. Nice one, man, you're flying. On the brake again, yeah, it's good, isn't it? Harder on that brake, even harder on the brake, into the right, and then building that power up nice and gentle. On the brake, into the left, good stuff, and then picking that power up again. Just follow this black car. Good stuff. Yeah, you're flying, man. You're flying. On the brake again, a bit harder on the brake, off the brake. To the right. Picking that power up. Off the power, just coasting at the moment. Just follow this car. And then through to the left. Picking up that power. Good stuff. On the brake again. Into the left, off the brake, and then squeezing that power. And on the brake, harder on that brake, even harder, good stuff, off the brake, onto the right, and then picking that power up. Off the power, on that brake, left, and then building up again. Going straight down this time, I'm going to follow this black car. How was that? Wicked, man, you did really well. And then on the brake here, just following this bloke. Keep heading down, just bring it all the way into the pit. And then into the pit, I'll control your steering for you. Give it a tiny bit of power. Good stuff. And then off the power, I'm just going to cover my brake just in case. Right, we're going to pop behind this man here. There you go. Really good, my friend. Really, really good.
Thank you.
No worries at all, man. There you go, man.
Thank you.
No worries. Can I just, I need to take a photo of your sheet really quick.
Yeah.
Just so I can fill my sheet in when I get it. Good stuff.
Thanks.
And then also this is your SD card here, man.